at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider and get yourself a discount. Hey. So this is Michio Kawamura, I believe it's Kimchi Miso ramen. And I'm going to try something I haven't done thus far. Let's see, how long do you want? 450 for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll do this one for 3 because we're gonna add something magical to it. Hey, we are going to add, wait for it, noodles in. We are going to add the magical, mysterious ingredient that you've never before seen on this show. I'm adding dumplings in. I got some dumplings. I'm gonna try 1, 2, 3. You didn't make dumplings, sweetie pie. You made pigs in a blanket. There's a big difference. But that's cool. You and Mama made it. That's where it's at. You guys did awesome. Hi, Miles. Hi, Mimi. Yeah, so I was talking about dumplings today to somebody, and it's like, me and Mama made dumplings the other day, and I was trying to figure out what the hell she was talking about, and it's like, oh. We got little Smokies, the little cocktail weenies, and the Pillsbury crescent roll stuff. It's like, those technically aren't dumplings, but I like your gusto on that, kid. Anyways, yeah, I'm boiling them in with the noodles, so we'll see how that goes. Mama Fuguendo speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. I'll even do yesterday's one again. That's how I feel like rolling today. Yesterday's one was really quick. Turn work into play. But now we're on number 203, and that is, turning work into play is the best way to ensure you will be able to throw all your energies into it. You will never get tired if you work on something you are interested in. That's cool. But I'm a ditch digger. My job actually is to watch yogurt. But you know, those little bubbles in the yogurt, they sing to me. They sing to my being. So I go out walking early in the morning. I have a headlamp, right? Here's the one I've been using. It's a Foxelli. Oh, it's on. Why is this thing like now ready to fail? Okay. So here's the one I've been using. See, look, and it's all boop, boop, boop. Whoop. Oh yeah, and then I got this new one. This is I love the names of these things. They all seem to have some pretty funny names. This one's a Slonik. Yeah. The Slonik is supposed to be like way brighter. I don't know that it's way brighter, but it's pretty cool. You guys can tell me what you think. Really? I don't know. Still gotta adjust this. This just showed up. It's a little tight at the moment. But yeah, check this one out. Boom! Whoa! Beep, 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 beep. That one's kind of fun. beacon. There we go. Anyways, yeah, I'm probably driving you people insane, but Miles enjoys it. So now we got our dumplings and noodles, so let's check this out. I'm hoping that was enough time to get the dumplings and noodles happy. I'm guessing it was. It was. And I'm wondering now also if by stirring it, it's just gonna bust up the dumplings. No, these dumplings seem to be pretty happy. So yeah, there we are. And then we've got our powder base. I'm curious about if I will even like these dumplings. I should have put 4 in so there could be 3. I don't know. I like things in 3s. Let's keep it a little bit regimented. So there's the powder base. And here's the that gooey stuff. Yeah. Alright. Let's stir this all up. Yeah, I think now the show is going to be in 4K. Because this seems to work a lot better in 4K. Look at those big monstrous things in my bowl. So I guess the brand of these is Prime. It's a Prime dumpling. They're freaking hot. I think it's shrimp and pork, kind of like shumai. It could have gone a little bit longer than that. It's good though. Yeah, I dig that. I can use my new bowl too. Oops. I don't wanna do this while I'm rotating. Rotation is only made to happen at certain times. Anyways, so I asked my buddy Kyle of Mom's Dry Noodle, how do you, what does it say on this bowl right here? He said it said something like good fortune, good luck, and I was like, yeah, it was like $5 at a thrift store, but it kind of looks old school. He's like, yeah, I remember those bowls. That is old school. I'm like, that's cool. It's an old school bowl. And on the bottom it says made in Taiwan. I like that. Let's see what we can do here. This is definitely a different thing with garnishing for me. Man, it got like a little bit breezy and just kind of nasty outside. Is it gonna snow next? I know a couple kids that would be happy if that happened. Personally, I wouldn't be too thrilled, but they'd love it. Big thing in this house right now is they want to bring everybody back to school, and it's like, just doesn't seem like a good idea, but you can't stay home forever. But we'll see. I mean, some Laogan Ma spicy chili crisp. I swear, this stuff doesn't seem like it's as good as it was. Something's up with the Laogan Ma. What's going on, Laogan Ma? Yeah. I just don't know. It's kind of weird. Anyways. I think we're going to leave her be like this, so I guess we should get our rotato on. What say ya? And let's try that. Wow, it's just getting like all sorts of windy outside. Yeah, that's I tell you, it just gets harder and harder. There we go. Bittersweet. So jejune. The kids are yelling at me. But yeah. I'm just doing 2 today. I got a video I did the other day that I gotta go and do the unboxing video for. There's only one product though, so that'll be cool. But I'm gonna do more tomorrow. Hoping maybe I can remember to ask my wife to make some of the beauty eggs. Yeah. But yeah. Hope everybody's doing well. It's been Hans the Ramen Raid wishing you enjoyment with your noodles. Have a good one. Bye.